Hello guys and welcome to our channel, and today we are gonna be today is our first day, I guess. Not the first day, today is a 15 day of our 100 days of code challenge, and I know I'm quite too late. It's 11:23 here. I started late here. So let's get to the point. Not this. Let's check on to Hacker Earth. I almost forgot I was spent my time coding the stuff, the bots in my Python, and I forgot to actually about this 100 day support challenge. Let us just get with data structures. Arrays, okay, C++, yeah, here. It's just initializing array, example. Okay, print array in reverse. There's something called as reverse, which will I'm yet clearing up my basics. Include. So let's start from where we started again. C++ include bits slash std C++ dot h. Let's initialize our main function. Integer main. We'll just take the sample input. That might be first line of input and the other is okay. This the first line will be the size of the array, that is integer size. Then we just need to initialize our array. Initialize array r air, and then just the size, and while size minus minus. Let's just complete hacker stuff. Scene. I'll also initialize that stuff integer and it goes to 0. Okay, so basically temp is equal to 0 here, and now I'll just take the input in scene arr temp. Okay, so the input will go directly in this and then again just temp plus plus, and after this for auto I for integer I is equals to size minus 1. That's it. I should be greater than or equal to 0. I minus minus. That's it. I guess that should print the array in reverse order. Cout arr. Right. Oh, sorry, I forgot using std. My bad. Okay, expected return 0. Initialize minus me or before while. Oh, sorry. Yes, here. Everything else is correct. Can you guys hear my audio? Yeah, I'm audible. Wrong answer. Why? My output is this, and the correct output is this. Let's see what's my output. Nothing. Okay, my output is nothing. Okay, let's just try to see why I'm on my 14th day and I still can't believe I'm doing it so far. Okay, wrong. Folder day 15. array again. Let's just run this and let's just take this input. Okay, and it did not even run. Okay, and why is this happening? Did you mean? Okay, same size. I forgot to take the size. Sorry. I should be greater than or equal to 0. I minus minus. This is CR in array 10 plus plus size temp array. Perfect. This one is perfect. Here, let's see. Oh, Vijay, Mara, layout. Hi. Let's just see if it actually gets in Indian. And again, I feel the worst. I cannot even probably solve this. Wow. How can I call myself a coder? Okay, 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 wait, wait, wait. I'm just decreasing the size, yeah, and that's not what I need to do in teacher. 0 and should be crossed in size plus plus. I think this should do the work. Oh yeah, it did. I was doing it right. I was actually, I'm such a jerk. Okay, this is correct. runtime error. That should not happen. Segmentation fault. Okay, can I get the test cases? Okay, so if this is the number, I don't know how much lines is this. Let's just check it out. Again, create a file a.txt, paste a line. Okay, so this is 100. So if I just run this and type 100, yes, it does work. Now I'll copy it. Eight 58. So this is the exact output that I'll need. And I do get the exact output. So why is it even trying to say that stuff? Okay, so what if I do the size? I don't think even if I see, even if I do this, this prints out 0. So I don't think I was wrong anywhere here. Equal to 0 and I minus minus. This should work. There's no meaning to this that it does not work. Because okay, and see, told you that running files just makes some temporary files like size and stuff. Don't know why does that happen, but it happens a lot. Rather than using temp, I guess I'll use a vector. Vector, integer, arr, and then just insert everything here. Okay. Modify user vector. Segmentation for codon. So it takes all of their input. And this again here. Okay, it did pass. Submit. Hopefully it passes. Okay, this was accepted. And I guess that's the same concept I implemented using arrays. But the fuck, it did not work. I guess arrays have some kind of length stuff, but the numbers here were small, too small to be flowing out of memory. I don't know what happens sometimes. So let's just move ahead. Okay, this is some multi-dimensional array type, and this is quite interesting. So okay, I need to initialize the 3 to 5 array, type array, row, columns, elements of elements. Okay, it is like this. Let's just try to do it. Include area get slash stdc plus dot h. Everything here using space std resume, initializing I guess the t1, t2, t1 and t2, and then there will be 3 numbers and 5 spaces, so I guess I'll just create a of 3 rows and 5 columns. Initialize array initialize nums, and that is p1 and p2. This is done. Then while for initialize I is equal to 0, I should be smaller than, of course, t1 I plus plus. This is done 3 times. Then for integer j, okay, so this is actually several values. Yes, j is equal to 0, j should be smaller than t1, actually t2, j plus plus. And now we'll just take the input, that is in nums I and j. So this will firstly add at 0, 1 and all that stuff, and once this gets done, our array is all completed. Now what we need to do is we need to print the first element of each column. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll just get 5 things. So to print the first the values of first column, for of each row, the first column, that is, I guess, for integer I is equal to 0. So firstly the row is 0, and I should be, basically I should be, need to get, as you mentioned, I should be smaller than t2, as this should run 5 times. Okay, so let us get into another loop. For integer j is equal to 0, j should be smaller than t1, that is j plus plus. And now what we'll do is we need to get that is c out, basically nums, for the first row we'll just put it here I, it's like so this is the column and this is the row. So basically for each row, right, this is the j wi, and then a space after this gets over, then c out e and el, and they should print this. Let's just see in 0. Let's just try to run this on a machine. Where did I mess up? Okay, here. Pretty cool. I've got the right output. Yeah, this is the perfect code. Let's just submit it without testing. Yeah. Let's just clear all of the basics before I need to clear the basics. arrays, both of these are done. That's the basic of stack. The first element gets it first in, last out, I guess. There is going to be push pop. Okay, the push of 4. So first in, first out. Oh no, this is first in, last out. Okay, wait a second. That is LIFO, I guess. Last in and first out. Okay, this is stack works on LIFO. Last in, first out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was like first in. Okay. Anyways, it's the same, first in, last out. Uh, I just forgot the term LIFO. Okay, let's just try to do stuff. Stack is full dot overflow condition. Wow, wow. Push integer, push void push integer stack x and n. If top is equal to n minus 1, top position the left flattened stack, this means the stack is full. I don't know much about stacks, so let's just learn. Geeks for geeks are main site. This is the best. So stack integer. While s start is not empty, okay. So that is push and pop. So basically it's use the stack, but this stores void push into the stack and void pop into the stack. If top is equal to n minus 1, that is basically stack top. That is creating a self stack. Okay, this is cool. Okay, integer stack. So in top is my global defining the top value of the stack is empty. Void push stack. And pushing only find the stack. Size of the stack is 3. So if top is equal to n minus 1, stack is full overflow condition and top is equal to top plus 1. I know I can just use the stack here, stack data type, but instead I need to understand how it basically works. So this is quite a nice explanation by Hacker Earth. Well, I'll follow this. So I can be sure that I know what am I doing. I should have started it earlier, but never mind. It's not quite late yet. Void push into the stack initial as X. I don't know why. Okay, so X is the number and N is the position. N is the total number, I guess. Yeah, so the stack's number is N. So we'll have to actually, I don't think that's a nice implementation that we'll have to pass the size of the stack again and again, again and again. But never mind. Integer if top is equal to n minus 1, that is 2, then the stack will be counted as full, else top is equal to top plus 1. Okay, so it does increment the top position to manage the stack, and stack top is equal to x into element on the stack position is empty if that. Okay, void pop if is empty, then handle, or it will just decrement. Okay, I don't think that's the right way. Where did it pop it? I mean, how did it pop it? Decrementing top's position will detach last element from the stack. Will detach last element from the stack. Okay, so it's like it won't actually pop. It can be considered as an array. Stack can be this implementation of stack can be considered as an array. So what it does is it uses top as the global variable. It's officially the second day, and I'm yet on 37 minutes. So I don't think uh, output to what. I don't think there's no question for stack. Okay, basics of queue stack is done. There was no problem, I guess, for stacks to be shown. It did not show me anything. Yes. Where is the fucking, where do I solve the solution problems? Okay, so here are the problems. So there must be problems here as well. Okay, there are problems. Magical mountain. I'm at the right of the mountains. Okay, so what is here? Armenia and Azerbaijan are in a state of war. Both these countries are separated by a long stretch of mountains of unequal heights. Each country sends its soldiers on the border, and these soldiers will have to take position on one of the mountains. That is, two mountains will be occupied by different armies. Yuserovic is a Russian who is acting as a double spy. He asks the Armenians to choose the mountain before the other army chooses that, but he places two conditions. uh, Armenia will have to march forward and choose a mountain which is latest, largest in height as compared to all the mountains which they have encountered up till now. But in this way, they can choose more than one mountain. So to this, Yuserovic places another condition. Armenia will choose the mountain which is the median of all the possible choices from the condition one. Okay, so this is the main stuff. Uh, we don't need a median. Guys, I guess I'll stop here as it's 12:10 and I need to do my studies as well because I have a presentation again tomorrow. For these presentations, I guess I'll have to first basically read this some problem and I'm not that fast yet. I feel so dumb right now that I'm not even able to solve this sums again, and these are so simple. Never mind. Hopefully I'll get better and better day by day. So that's it for the day. See ya tomorrow.